Welcome to the ultimate Would You Rather. Build your futuristic luxury. House Edition, you will have 7 seconds to choose between 2 options. Think fast, choose wisely, and comment your favorite answers below. Would you rather build a house with a rooftop pool or a glass elevator? Would you rather have a smart kitchen or a robot maid? Would you rather add a home theater or a gaming room? Would you rather install a secret room or a panic room? Would you rather build a gold-plated bathroom or a diamond chandelier? Would you rather have an indoor waterfall or a floating staircase? Would you rather live in the city skyline or a private island? Would you rather use AI lighting or AI climate control? Would you rather have a virtual reality room or a hologram lounge? Would you rather decorate with marble floors or crystal walls? Would you rather build a sky bridge or underground tunnel? Would you rather have an indoor garden or a koi pond? Would you rather install fingerprint doors or face recognition doors? Would you rather have a helipad or a luxury garage? Would you rather build a 2-story closet or a perfume vault? Would you rather live in a glass house or an invisible house? Would you rather control everything by voice or by app? Would you rather build a shark tank or an exotic bird aviary? Would you rather get a rotating bed or a floating bed? Would you rather include a champagne bar or a sushi counter? Would you rather have glowing walls or color-changing ceilings? Would you rather build a virtual library or a 3D art room? Would you rather get smart windows or mood-sensing lights? Would you rather live in a mountain mansion or a beach palace? Would you rather use anti-gravity furniture or magnetic floors? Would you rather have a secret lab or an indoor slide? Would you rather build with black steel or white marble? Would you rather have an ice lounge or a lava room? Would you rather have a home observatory or an underwater room? Would you rather build a drone garage or a hovercraft port? Would you rather get a voice command shower or a scent diffuser? Would you rather have personalized AI chefs or smart butlers? Would You rather build a cloud room or a rain simulation room? Would you rather add heated floors or self-cleaning tiles? Would you rather have a retractable roof or hidden skylights? Would you rather get a rotating house or a shifting floor plan? Would you rather build a luxury spa or a Zen meditation cave? Would you rather include a climbing wall or a trampoline room? Would you rather design with neon vibes or ultra-minimalist tones? Would you rather build with solar panels or kinetic energy?